I learn this, I think I'll be in much better shape with this machine. Right now I got it in float mode, just trying that out. I'm not liking it, honestly. Alright, we're skimming. Practicing my skimming skills. I need to do this anyways, and I got this clearing about done. So I'm going to try and slick it off. See how I can do at it. It's pretty out, but it's cold, man. It was at like 8 degrees this morning. The high today I think is like 32. I think we're in the second part of January now. Push this pile a little bit. I'm contemplating putting a pond here in front of the slash pile. So it's not quite as ugly. That's about as tall as I want to get it. I don't really want it any taller than that. Alright, let's try slicking some more. Right now I got it in float mode, just trying that out. I'm not liking it, honestly. So I'm going to get out of that. This is one of the real challenging things. Once I learn this, I think I'll be in much better shape with this machine. Woo, I almost ran into you guys. Oh boy, you're like right there. Woo! Okay, didn't see that. Let's try a different view. Alright, let me get some drone footage that I want to get before we run out of battery. If I put the teeth down, I don't really take any dirt, but I can scrape the top. It doesn't leave a nice flat finish because you got the teeth in there, but it does scrape the chaff off of the top. I want to make sure I don't go near that cell tower. Oh man, we got a low battery. Darn it. Alright, shucks. I gotta land you guys. Oh, everything quits on us.